So types of sports are two types, that is indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are played within a closed environment, and a number of them are played by sitting at one place. They include chess, card games, games played with gamesmen and dice, carom, etc. So these are the picture you can see. Chokabara, Indian Ludo, Sagar Gote, Bhatukali. So these are the indoor games. Understood? Now we'll see outdoor games. This you can see in your textbook also. Outdoor games. The outdoor games can be categorized into two types, that is Indian sports and international sports. ठीक है? You know international sports. Indian games include langdi, kabaddi, ate pata, kho etc. So these are Indian games. But now some games they are also included in Asian games also, in parts of different Asian countries like kabaddi, you can say atya pate also. Indian games like marbles, laghori, vitti dandu or gilli danda, bhingari, waltz, bhovre, tops, pugadi, jimma are quite popular. The international games include badminton, alternatively spelt as badminton, table tennis, hockey, cricket, football, golf, polo, etc. And other examples are also there. So these are international games which is played all over the world. In our country also it is played. So you know some players also in badminton also. Hockey is our national game, you know. Cricket is also known as gentleman games. Now the IPL is going on in Dubai. You know this. Football, it is also the most lovable sport by all over the world. You know, so many players are also there. Golf, polo, etc. Polo is also the games of the king during medieval time, when the kings were there in our country also. When Britishers they introduced this polo game, you know, in our country. So big polo grounds are there, and they used to play with the help of horse. So these are the outdoor games. International games, sorry. Now we'll see outdoor sports. Among outdoor sports, running races are popular all over the world. Running events, short distance or sprints. A sprint is a short running race. Middle distance, the middle distance races are 800 meter and 1500 meter and the 1 mile long runs. Long distance, there are three main long distance races, the 3000 meter, 5000 and 10,000 meter races, hurdles, relays, marathon. So all these are outdoor sports, running, different types of races. You must have participated in these races, no? You know, whenever we were having our sports day, so these type of sports events were there, no? Remember? So these are outdoor sports. Now we'll see outdoor sports based on physical skills. Children, physical skills is very important whenever we play any type of sports. We need to have concentration along with physical fitness. Shot put, discus throw, long jump, high jump, water sports like swimming, competition, water polo, rowing, sports that combine physical exercise and acrobatics like malakham, rope malkham, gymnastics, etc. According to Manisha Bhate, malkham and its various tactics were devised by Balabhat Deodhar, the physical trainer of Peshwa Bajirao II. She also notes that Balambhat was inspired watching monkeys while they leaped and played on trees. Children, this malkham also in our school, some students they used to do, no, during our sports day. Yes. So these are the sports, the names which is given here, they required certain physical skills. Everybody cannot do this. Understood? So malkham is very ancient sports, or we can say our kings and the various people during that time, especially kings, they used to do this. And it was mentioned in some books also. Malkham, very ancient physical skills sport. So gymnastic also, it is very popular game in Olympic and various others. It is international game, gymnastic also. and that gymnastic, it requires very much a very concentration. In Russia, the small children, they used to do gymnastics very nicely, their body is so flexible. So these type of games, they need physical skills, understood?